What's going on, guys? What day is it? It's March 11th. We're at the Ridge here for the first event of the season. We're doing a 2-day deal. All sorts of people are out here today. I'm really excited. It's a little bit wet, so I don't think it's gonna be PB weather or anything like that, but we're chilling. Got the Suburban out here. I towed my Civic for the first time, so I'm gonna send it pretty hard today. Got Dante, Alan, Roman, Chris, Dax, Daniel, tons of people out here today. Everyone's super hyped for the season opener, but I'm gonna get unloaded and check in. So I towed the car here on the CRSs, but I think that I'm gonna swap over to a set of Continental DWS 06. I think that's what they are. Coworker let me borrow them for today, and I need to put some new wiper blades on the car. It's gonna be pretty wet today. I just got the tires swapped over, gonna air them down. I think I'm gonna do 32 in the front, 30 in the back, just to keep this thing from rotating. There's a lot more tread in the front for these guys, but group 4 and 5 are out right now. Then it's gonna be us at 920. It's slippery.
Oh, it's a little bit out there?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry about that, man.
Hey, man.
New, different tires than I'm used to.
All right. No worries.
I'm gonna keep it slow outside.
Yep. All right.
I came in early, first session with group 3. I spun once and I just locked up and plowed straight on another corner. I'm gonna go back to the CRSs and see how those work. One of these wheels is definitely pretty bent too. I can feel it on the straight. So I just swapped back to the CRS. I dropped the pressure pretty low in the back. This thing is feeling pretty tail happy. May have just been the tires, but we're gonna see. I'd rather deal with some understeer than some oversteer today. I gotta make sure I'm a little bit lighter on the brakes. Lock up pretty easily, but I'm gonna go out next session on these tires and see what happens. Hello, Mr. Night Kids.
He needs to switch to CRS.
You think so?
Yeah.
Have any fun out there?
Okay.
I went off twice in 3 laps.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Where?
Cut to the footage. Okay, no crashing, no spinning, no wheels coming loose.
Huh?
Braking feels good. A little slippery in the back. Got to warm these guys up. See how well I bounce these tires. my God. That was fucking close.
How you doing?
Hey, I went off track. Yeah, I'm good. I'll take a cool down lap, see if everything feels good. Are we good? All right, cool. I just went through the second session, almost hit a wall super close, pretty scary. So I adjusted the car a little bit, but I need to make sure that I'm taking it easy, and I just want to try and get around the track, no offs, no weird shit, and then we'll worry about going fast later. All right, we're gonna take it easy.
That's cap.
Taylor knew that.
That's cap. I accuse you of capping.
I made it the whole session without crashing. That's pretty cool.
Hooray!
All right, so I just ran one more session. With the coilover changes, I softened the rear all the way, and I softened the front quite a bit as well, but I left it a little bit stiffer than the rear. The car understeered a little bit, but it was a lot more manageable, and I was able to actually push the car a little bit harder and not go off track. Didn't go off track this session, which is good. We're gonna try and keep it that way for the rest of the day, see what happens. The weather's kind of been off and on, but it was pretty dry-ish for my last session. So let's hope for less rain as possible. Gonna check the oil, check the fluids. It's lunchtime, and then we're gonna get back out there. We got 2 more sessions left today, and then we're camping, baby. How was it, Dante?
It was good.
Doing good?
Absolutely.
Doing great?
Doing stellar.
No off track?
Not that time.
Okay,
No.
good shit. We're making progress here. We're not gonna put our cars in the ditch anymore.
Mr. Aaron Honda shit gave me some advice, and now I'm not going sideways.
Very nice. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it going. Just checking out Dave's Integra. What block is this again? K24A1?
K24A1.
Yeah, what head is on it?
It's got a Type S PRB head.
Okay, cool. And you have pistons and rods,
Yep, pistons, rods.
RSX, ABS, and
Yep.
all that stuff. BTC gear and all that stuff.
The
From
50 degree.
Yep.
It's got cams, ported head. It's a 4-piston engine package.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, 4-piston, super cool. I've only heard good things about them. What kind of power does this thing make?
Makes 306 wheel.
Wow, what the fuck? That's nuts, dude. What? out of an A1 bottom end. That's dope.
12.5 to 1 compression.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And you got cams in there and everything.
Yep.
So yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
4-piston RR4 cams.
Are you on pump or are you on E85?
Pump 92.
Cool. That's super cool, man. I saw some stuff from the East Coast about making 300 wheel out of a K series, but it was all on E85. So
Yeah,
seeing somebody do it on pump is super cool.
Yes, yep.
Yeah, this is sweet, man. What suspension are you on? S3?
Actually, these are the Shaftworks Billang singles.
Oh, okay. They're really similar to the S3.
Yes,
They have the
yep.
same dampening knobs and everything. They must buy a lot of parts from the same suppliers. Yeah, this is sweet, man.
Thank you.
You're running extreme contacts today.
Yep.
They're doing all right.
Yeah, actually, they're gripping like crazy. I've ran a 206 today with predicted of a 205.
Nice. That's awesome.
And for this weather, it's I'm really stoked.
Cool. Spoon calipers. These are pretty sweet. Wow. What kind of rotors are you running? Are these Mini Cooper rotors?
These are the Mini Cooper, yeah.
Okay.
Just the 11s.
Are you getting any warpage at all? Because I'm getting a little bit of warpage.
Not yet, but there's a lot of heat, which is why I chose the CB.
Okay, that makes sense.
And I was hoping, I just went to the 36mm hubs and axles, and I was hoping that would fix it, but it still doesn't. So
Okay.
I have the honed air vanes.
Oh, yeah.
Cooling. I haven't put them on yet, but now obviously I have to.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
I'll definitely have those on before the next event.
Cool. Well, sweet, man. Thanks for letting me look at your car, and
Of course.
I'll see you. Are you coming out April 16th?
I'm going to try to, yes.
Okay, for sure. Awesome. What's up?
Yo, what's up?
What's going on with this thing? Is it good?
It's being a shit box.
Damn, what's wrong?
Like, I don't know. Like, maybe it's because I don't have a tune, because I have a cat delete too. But like, end of session, it would bog out, and then 4,000 RPMs would be the rev limiter.
Oh no.
So,
And then when you unplug the battery, it's fine?
yeah.
Oh,
Ever
just keep
since the
doing
phones-
that. Just keep doing it.
Do it mid-session,
Dude, like-
mid-lap. Reach out.
Yeah. So like, yeah.
Get the
what is it?
switch.
Get a
The
quick
third?
disconnect. Yeah.
Yeah. This is the third session.
Third session, third reset?
Yeah, third reset.
Let's go.
literally. But,
Sweet.
like, yeah. I mean, other than that, the car is amazing.
Good shit,
with,
dude.
Even with bald AO52s, like,
You gripping okay in the rain?
yeah.
Nice, good shit. I was having some problems, but I got it figured out. I changed some suspension settings and fixed it. But yeah, dude, good shit. I know.
Yep.
Oh boy, it's rainy. Wow, this is bad. Jesus, yeah, I need to switch tires. Jesus. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come in and switch tires. Good Lord.
Catching up to me on
So I just ran another session. It's fucking dumping out here. Tons of water on the track. I switched back to the Continentals. We'll see how they do. I put different lug nuts on them. They came loose last time I went out with these tires, so that's pretty cool. But I gotta go charge the GoPro battery, and hopefully this next session will be a little bit better with these all seasons on, but I don't expect it to.
That sucked balls. That sucked balls.
up.
So we meet again, huh?
Yep. I'm just gonna pull off. You know what the deal is.
All right, man.
So I just ran session 5. Things are going pretty good. I lost it in between, like I think it was like turn 5 or 6, and spun around and around. But the track's kind of drying up. I got one more session. I switched back onto the CRSs for this last session, and hopefully it stays dry enough and we'll be able to put down a decent time. The track definitely felt a ton better, so things are improving. What happened, buddy? You got some fucking souvenirs. Look at all that. That's some hardware right there. That's extra downforce. God damn.
You're okay.
Oh yeah. So
It looked like you bent the control arm in the rear.
no.
No, okay. Because it was just like, it was way raised up.
Definitely get it up and look at it though.
Yeah. What happened was.
So what happened was,
I'm going to after the carousel, turning right.
Yeah.
I just give it like a little too much, and we board slide along the rumble strip, and I'm turned backwards, and I'm facing this way, and I see Chris come in, and he's fucking like, oh shit, drifting,
Oh,
right?
no, I
and I'm
saw
just
that.
like, fuck, I gotta move, so I just fucking floor it right into the sand pit.
oh dear. All right, it dried up a little bit. Let's see what we got. This is the last session of the day. The sun is out. Oh, I can't see. Fuck.
You gotta keep rolling, man.
All right.
You're talking in the paddock.
All right, well, I just ran session number 6. I didn't get a super great time. I was having issues with understeer a little bit, and the car just felt kind of slippery. I don't really know, but I ran a good time the session prior, so I'm pretty happy with it. Something happened to Dante's car. I'm really not sure what it is, but I'm gonna go over there and film and talk to him about what happened. There he is. Oh, dear. Dante, what happened?
I didn't push the clutch in when I spun out really hard being chased by this guy, and my ego got the better of me. And I didn't want to let off, so I didn't, and I tried to power through a slide, and I spun the motor backwards, jump timing, and
Jesus.
here we are, so
All right.
we'll figure it out.
Definitely got some learning to do as far as getting this thing under control goes. The car feels totally different on track than it used to. Definitely the suspension changed a lot. I don't know if it's for the better or for the worse, but I'm in it now, so I just got to learn how to adapt. I think that it's going to be a lot more fun when it's dry out, and I think that it's going to grip really well. But as for the rain days, I've definitely had having a little bit of issues, but we'll try again tomorrow. All right, we're kind of wrapping it up for tonight. We're going to camp out here, and we're going to start racing again tomorrow morning. Dante's over there trying to fix his engine. He's got some weird stuff going on with the timing. Yeah, I'm racing Time Attack tomorrow. It's gonna be my first time doing a scored competition like that. I'm pretty excited, pretty nervous, but I'm gonna end this part of the video. I guess this is gonna be a 2-part thing. Fuck! And I'll see you guys next time.